Good morning, all of you. Today, myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, HOD PG Department of Chemistry, Sahiban College, Sahiban. Now, our one more interesting lecture by the request of students of UG and PG semester during lockdown period. We want to share our views regarding an approach to enzyme. Basically, enzyme. An enzyme is helpful for in all our bodical actions, medical uses, industrial uses, different uses can be explained, and what are the different mode of action, what is the right time of enzyme to take, and what are the different enzymes, their activities. These all things can be explained in the coming slide. At first of all, a French chemist Anselme Payen in 1833 first time discovered the enzymes. See, in 1833, and Howard F is known as the father of enzyme nutrition. So basically, what is enzyme? Enzymes are protein chemicals which carry a vital energy factor needed for every chemical action and reaction that occurs in the body. It is a very interesting fact that approximately 1300 different enzymes found in the human cell, and enzymes are vital for life and serve a wide range of important functions in the body, such as digestion and metabolism. What is the best time to take the enzyme? The best time to take an enzyme is right before or right as you start eating. Different enzymes like amylases converts carbohydrates and starches into sugars for energy. Lipid is also an enzyme which helps the fat and triglycerides we eat and converts them into essential fatty acids used for an abundance of functions in the body. Lactase, also a sugar found in dairy products, converts it into other types of sugars. Why enzymes are important? Basically, enzymes are proteins that control the speed of a chemical reaction in the body. Without enzyme, the reaction would not take place too slowly to keep alive. Some enzymes break down large molecules into a smaller one. Other, like the enzyme that make DNA, use a small molecule to build up large complex ions. Enzymes also help cells to communicate with each other, keeping cell growth, life and death under control. Digestive enzymes are proteins our body produces and uses to break down the food into energy and nutrients. A specific type of enzyme breaks down carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Digestive enzymes are released and mixed with the food throughout the digestion, starting in the mouth and continuing in the stomach, pancreas, and small intestine. In this slide, we will discuss the different aspects of enzymes. Enzymes are built of proteins folded into complicated shapes. They are present throughout the body. The chemical reactions that keep us alive, our metabolism, rely on the work that enzymes carry out. Enzymes speed up or catalyze chemical reactions. In some cases, enzymes can make a chemical reactions million of times faster than it would have been without it. A substrate binds to the active site of an enzyme and is converted into products. Once the product leaves the active site, the enzyme is ready to attach a new substrate and repeat the process. What does enzyme do? The different functions enzymes provides in digestive system. Enzymes helps the body break down larger complex molecules into smaller molecules such as glucose, so that body can use them as fuel. Enzymes also helps in DNA replication. In DNA replication, each cell in our body contains DNA. Each time a cell divides, that DNA needs to be copied. Enzymes help in this process by unwinding the DNA coils and copying the information. Liver enzymes In this case, the liver breaks down toxins into the body and it uses a range of enzymes. In this slide, the different classification of enzymes, major class, common examples, kinds of reaction, specific examples. In major class reaction, oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lysases or desmolases, isomerases, ligases or synthases. In the common examples are oxidases, reductases, in dehydrogenases. In transferases, transminase, transacetolase, transidolase. In hydrolases, amylases, lipases, proteases, nucleases. In lysase group, aldolases, decarboxylase, fumarase, citrate synthases. In isomerases, common examples are mutases, epimerase, and so on. And the different kinds of reaction A plus 3 plus B plus 2 converts into the products A plus 2, B plus 3. And the specific examples are alcohol plus NAD, it will give alcohol dehydrogenase, aldehyde plus NADH2, and so on. We can see the different classification of enzymes and their kinds of reaction and specific examples. In this slide, we will see classification of enzymes. Basically, enzymes are classified into oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lysases, isomerases, ligases. Oxidoreductases helps to transfer the electrons. Transferases helps in function to transfer the functional groups. Hydrolases, its function is to help in the hydrolysis reaction. Lysases, it is very helpful in the elimination of the group so that there is a formation of double bond without any hydrolysis. Isomerases, it helps in the transfer of groups within the molecule. Ligases, it helps in the bond formation by the help of coupling by the means of ATP analysis. In this slide, basically there are two modes of action of enzymes. One is lock and key model and another is induced hypothesis method. In lock and key model, from the above figure, it may be clear the active sites already exist in proper conformation even in the absence of substrate. In this, the active site provides template that fits with the size and shape of the substrate. In this, the substrate fits into the active site as the key fits into the lock. That is why it is also known as lock and key model, and it is also known as a rigid model. As we all know that enzymes have specific characteristics and their action. A proper lock needs a proper key. Likewise, in lock and key model is like this. In induced fit hypothesis model, there is a restrictive nature of lock and key model. Therefore, it is also known as flexible model, and it is introduced which states that in the region of active site there is a flexibility. The substrate during its binding induces conformational changes in the active site to attain final catalytic shape and fall. In this slide, we will discuss the properties of enzymes. Enzymes are protein catalysts that increases the velocity of a chemical reaction and are not consumed during the reaction. Some RNAs can act like enzymes, usually catalyzing the cleavages and synthesis of phosphodiester bonds. RNAs with catalytic activity are also called ribozymes and are much less commonly encountered than protein catalysts. And another remarkable properties of the enzymes are catalytic power. From the figure, we see the reactants are converted into the product via a transition state. In x-axis there is a progress of reaction, and in y-axis there is energy. And in figure B, we see the progress of reaction. Some reactions are converted into the products via uncatalyzed, which is denoted by a dotted line, and some reactions are converted into the products. We see the catalyzed reaction. So in enzymes, there are protein catalysts that increases the velocity of a chemical reaction and not consumed during the reaction. They have the catalytic specificity and biological activity. In this slide, we will discuss the enzymes have immense catalytic power that accelerates the reaction at least billions of reducing the energy of activation. There are several factors that influence the action of enzymes like temperature, effect of pH, substrate, concentration, and concentration of enzymes. Enzymes may be also used as biological catalysts. Enzymes as biological catalysts. Same in this figure, in x-axis there is a reaction process, in y-axis there is energy, CO2 plus H2 is a reactants which converted into the product H2CO3, and the pink line is energy of activation of the catalyzed reaction, and also energy of activation of catalyzed reaction in the two figure in the two lines indicate. So enzymes are proteins that increases the rate of reaction by lowering the energy of activation. They catalyze nearly all the chemical reactions taking place in the cells of the body. Enzymes have unique three-dimensional shape that fit the shape of reactants or substrate. In this slide, we will discuss the enzymes and their examples of enzymes and their actions. Lipases, a group of enzymes that help digest fats in the gut. Amylase helps change starches into sugars. Maltase, also mixed with found in the saliva, breaks the sugar maltose into sucrose. Trypsin, found in the small intestine, breaks proteins down into the amino acids. In this slide, we will discuss the diagnostic use of enzymes. So urease helps in the estimation of urea, uricase helps in the estimation of uric acid, glucose oxidase helps in the estimation of glucose, peridoxis helps in the estimation of glucose or cholesterol, hexokinase helps in the estimation of cholesterol, lipases help in the triglycerides. Similarly, reverse transcriptase help in the estimation of polymerase chain reaction. Therapeutic use of enzymes. Therapeutic use of enzymes. There are different therapeutic use of enzymes is aspergillus. Its therapeutic use acute lymphatic leukemia cells need asparagine for its growth. Streptokinase lies intercellular clot. Urokinase, its therapeutic use lies intercellular clots. Like that, papain, it is an anti-inflammatory. Alpha antitrypsin, its therapeutic use is emphysema. Similarly, in next slide, we will discuss what are the medical uses of enzymes. Medical uses of enzymes. Medical uses of enzymes. Medical uses of enzymes, we will discuss enzymes can be used to diagnose diseases. Tissue damage can cause enzyme to spread into the bloodstream. Several diseases are marked by abnormal enzyme activity in blood serum. Enzymes can be used to treat diseases. Tissue plasminogen activator, it is also known as TPA, can promote dissolution of blood clot during heart attacks. Enzymes are used in clinical laboratory chemical analysis. Enzymes convert urea to ammonia, which is easily measured. Blood urea nitrogen, that is also known as BUNO test. And another industrial application of enzymes, some enzymes like protease is industrial use. Its effect is skinning fish, removing hair. Amylase, industrial use. Production of chocolate syrup. Cellulose, industrial use. Softening vegetables, remove sweet coats. Protease, everyday, added to washing powder to remove or protein stains. Lipase, in digestion, converts fat to fatty acid and glycerol. Amylase, digestion, converts starch to sucrose. And the references which we take from google.com, by slideshare.net, slideplayer.com, and other references are given in the next slides. And in the last slide, I hope during long time period, this lecture will be very helpful for all the students of science stream for UG and PG, and they will enjoy the lecture, and on the request of the students we have prepared it, and I hope this lecture will be very much helpful all the science concerning students, and this slide may be helpful to get some maximum marks in biochemistry and topic like enzymes. and hope you are enjoying this slide. And another, the whole thing was edited and designed by myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, and my MSc student Pratik Misra, and my lovely student of BCA, it is Stephen Hasta. And